Ready. So, welcome again, TikTok. Electricians, TikTok lad, and all you engineers, aspiring engineers and electricians all over the globe. So today we are at a commercial facility with one of our seasoned engineer, Mr. Derek Ford, and he's currently setting up what, Mr. Ford?
We are setting up a power supply for
A shredder machine.
a shredder machine
Yeah.
with its conveyor
Yes.
and its takeoff machine.
Machine. All right. Yeah. So we are going to just start from the beginning here. From up here, our main industrial panel, and this panel is a Siemens. That's a logo on it, right? It's a Siemens with a main breaker, right? With its own main breaker, and this one a 150 triple pole, right? This is a 150.
Three-phase.
Yeah, 150. Triple pole. Yeah, three phase.
But before choosing this panel,
Yeah,
we have to calculate the load
the load for it. Yeah, for the machinery.
that the machine consumes.
Yeah.
We're looking at three motors.
Yeah.
One is a
Right.
11 kilowatt.
Horsepower, about 30 kilowatt, 30 horsepower,
No.
20.
Let's just check the nameplate.
We have blade. All right.
That's 22 kilowatt,
24 kilowatt. Yeah. All right. There. Yeah. So,
which is approximately 65 amps.
65 volts. Yeah.
22 kilowatt
And
at
65.
40 volts,
Yeah.
approximately 65 amps.
Okay.
And the other one,
Yeah.
the
Come
11
up here.
is a 11 kilowatt,
Yeah.
11 kilowatt, approximately 45 amps.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
a small conveyor.
Yeah.
So, having added all of that current, we have to choose a panel suitable
Yeah.
to carry all of that.
Yeah. So the pile must, the boss of the pile must be able to carry that. The rating, right?
So we
that-
choose
that,
a 225 amps plus industrial panel.
plus me an industrial panel. Yes.
Plus main.
And these breakers are bolt down as opposed to just
Correct.
plug in.
These are
Right?
both on breakers.
Right. No, it's, all right. And we have our plus main here.
Our main breaker is 150 amps.
right?
Yes.
Yeah, with our appropriate size cable.
Correct.
Right. And yes, we're meant to maintain our color code here: brown, gray, blue.
Correct.
And on this now we have the red, yellow, and blue. I don't have the blue tape right here now, so is it right?
okay.
Yeah. So this is where we start from, and we are going to put up an isolator. Because we are just in the preparation stage,
Yes.
right? So
So
probably by next week, isolator here.
To
And
feed this.
the controller, our main controller. So now that you are in the controller now, come forward now. I do I just tell you the different components in this
This
controller.
is our main breaker, which is rated 125 amps,
Yeah.
3-phase.
Yeah. All right.
It passes through a CT,
Yeah, there's a CT here. Yeah.
which monitors the current
Yeah.
to trip it if there is a overload.
Overload. Yeah.
We have, as you know, for a
Star Delta.
star delta system,
Yeah. You normally have 3 contactors.
we have 3 contactors.
Right.
We have a main contactor, and we have one that start the motor in star.
Yeah.
This point is a star point,
Yes.
which bridges out the star winding.
Yeah. And then the transfer, and then you have
Yeah.
next 2 contactors carry it into Delta.
Conductors.
Take into
Now,
Delta.
Take it. This one take it into delta.
Yeah. And the motor will normally run in Delta,
So
right?
the motor will start in star
Yeah.
and run in delta.
All right. So we have a time and so forth in there with it.
Correct.
All right.
There's a time delay between star and delta.
Okay. Yes. And then we have some small relays here.
These are control relays
Yes.
that works with the star delta system.
Yeah. And we have and we have a overload and so forth here in there. Right.
We have
Right.
our overload
Yeah.
system
Yeah.
to
Okay.
protect the breaker.
To protect the motor. All right. So we come on here now. So our control. So we have our various push button here. Right.
All right. First of all, we have our master stop,
Yeah.
just in case of anything. We
Yeah. Emergency mushroom stop. Yeah. That's the most.
stop that.
Yeah.
We also have a voltage meter,
Yeah.
and we have
A current meter, ammeter, right? Okay.
monitors the
Yeah.
the current at any given time.
Yeah. So these are instrument meters.
These are instruments.
Instrument meters, right? And we have our lens here. We have our green and our red lens there, and of course our push button stop and start, right?
Correct.
All right. Yeah. So this is a reduced voltage starter. So You know, normally a reduced voltage star delta starter, right? Normally have six leads from the motor, right?
Yeah.
So 6 leads have to come from the pecker head of the motor, right? So three,
Three connect to star.
star, and
there
the
are
three connect to
Three start the motor in
star. Yeah.
and then it opens star
Yeah.
and immediately
It close the motor in
select
delta. Delta. And the motor will run in delta.
and the motor running delta.
Yeah. So this is one form of reduced voltage starter. And you know, we have the auto transformer, and we have the variable speed drive, right?
Correct.
And the star delta, right? Right. So normally a star delta, you normally have six leading from the motor, right? Yeah. So this is the first part of the machine. So we're going now along with Mr. Ford. And
What happened here is that always lumber goes
Yeah.
into this,
Yeah.
old pallets and things and waste lumber, and it's shredded
Yeah.
for a certain
Yeah.
size.
Size, yeah.
Very small size. That's something like this.
Yeah. And then, okay. Yeah. And then go on the conveyor belt.
Goes on a conveyor.
Yeah. Right.
Conveyor send it to this.
Yeah. Right. Yeah. So this is actually the final stage, the crusher.
Yeah.
After that one. And there's a motor here for this conveyor belt around here, right?
Yes, there's a
The motor here, yeah. So this motor will have a reduced voltage starter, or it's just you're just going to start this direct online.
This is permitted.
Based on the rating, it can be started direct online,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So or across the line, right?
Yes.
So you need a reduced voltage starter for this motor. Right?
Constant running machine.
Machine. Oh, okay.
That's
All right.
in the load.
Yeah. So they are all three-phase squirrel cage induction motor, right? And these motors are some of the one of the most reliable and robust motor for industrial application, right? And you know, this motor it have a good power factor, right? And they're easy to maintain and install, right?
Yes.
All right. So yeah. So we have another machine here, Mr. Ford. Would you mind tell us something about this machine? This one?
Well, this one is quite a baler.
A baler.
Compresses the stuff
Okay.
for packaging.
Oh.
What I can say about this?
Compressor stuff for packaging. So it's for the finished product, right? But this look like it's more like a hydraulic. It's an hydraulic system,
Correct.
right? And for youngsters out there, in terms of hydraulic, what is hydraulic and what hydraulic really does? What right? As opposed to pneumatic.
Well, it's using
It's using
oil.
liquid, right?
using liquid,
Yeah.
using oil
Yeah. To provide pressure.
to provide pressure.
Pressure, right?
Hydraulics can go up to
Yeah.
several thousand psi.
Yeah. That's pound per square inch.
Yes.
Yeah. And hydraulic, one of the smallest hydraulic is just like a car pump, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So
Like a brake.
your brake arrangement. Yeah. So this is a hydraulic motor now for industrial application.
And
Right.
this will give you several tons of pressure.
Pressure. Okay.
Using oil.
Yeah. So this motor will be fed from the original pallet.
No, this one is just it's from that pallet.
It's going to be a different pallet. Yeah. All right. So Mr. Ford, I will say thank you for this interview and this what you have. Because I have a lot of youngsters out there in TikTok land, and aspiring electricians and engineer who want to get the feel of it. And we as trained professional in the system, whatever knowledge you have can impart for them. The longer it will be better for the industry.
Yeah.
And before you go now, Mr. Ford, what would you like now to say to those electricians at UTech and UH and other training institutions and art and so forth, where the industrial aspect of and control of the electrical work is concerned?
Well, they need to try to convert their theoretical knowledge into practical knowledge. And they should be keen about what they're doing.
Yeah.
Spend time with persons who have experience.
Yes.
Take instructions.
Yeah.
Listen carefully. Ask questions.
Yeah.
And carry out instructions as given.
Yeah.
and just focus and pay attention.
Okay, yeah. Because we have a lot of electricians out here, and some of them, I say most of them don't train probably the way it's supposed to train. But you know, we are short of technicians and industrial control electricians, right? What do you think we can do to get to kind of bring up that to that level? Because a lot of time I didn't use the elevator not working, air conditioner not working, and so forth. You know, all these sophisticated you know, equipment at the hospital not working, right? And it pays me for hear these things. You know, they're not being maintained properly, right? As given us. So what would you have to say to those technocrats out there? You know, what to get to you know, to alleviate, you know, in your way, in your opinion?
Well, if you're talking about the technocrats, especially in the government system, is that they should continue, and it not just continue, but expand, expanding their training facilities such as art, as we know it in Jamaica, and other technical schools.
Such as university and so forth, right?
I would also appeal to the industry leaders to sponsor training.
Because I said and so forth. Recently, I heard some industry leaders said that they want to import labor, and they were talking about 80. And these are big manufacturing companies, some of the biggest manufacturing companies in Jamaica,
well,
right? And I can't support that.
Well, it shouldn't reach a stage we're paying attention to, you know, improving our youngsters. Because had they started from early and have a very good apprenticeship system and making sure that each year there are a number of graduates, trained graduates, then it would have been a progression. But now where we find ourselves is that so many things are happening so fast that we have to be thinking that way. But we can correct it.
It's not too late.
It's not too late.
All right,
It's a work in progress. Progress. And we should continue.
Because we have been there before. Because remember the industrial belt, Marcus Garage go around, and all of those, probably about 75% of these industry closed down. Right? And you know, one time, you know, you'd have a lot of skilled people working in the industry. Right? Because right now, everybody remember glass company was around there. Just about everything we use to manufacture out here. Right? And we're importing everything now. Right? And we should know, you know, the sugar industry now, which I know you're familiar with now. Right now, it's over 2 sugar factory running. That's a shame. Right? And we see they're trying to say they might put back something over down by Monimos. Right, somewhere they carrying that there. So we'll come through because we need skilled person.
What industry does is that it train the young ones and it aspire them towards being a complete artisan or technician. If you don't have industries around, then they will be just consumers and just look at the north, the supply.
The supply there. Needs. So we should be thinking going online, just like we train teachers now. We should every year we should have thousands of electricians, technicians, and so forth. Now, you know, leaving the system right in this AI age. You know, so we have to start thinking out of the box. You know, and we have been talking about this for quite some time, and we perceive like we just like to hear ourselves just repeat the same thing over and over. We're not doing anything, right? So forth. It was nice talking to you, and you're always willing to impart whatever knowledge you have and so forth as a seasoned person.
You're welcome, Mr. Foster.
And I'm looking forward.
Thanks for the opportunity.
Looking forward to have more conversation like this with you, when an industrial operation is up. You're on. So until next time, TikTok Club. It was nice talking to you. And youngsters out there, continue to watch, subscribe, and follow us. And get in the trade, right? Don't just stay on the fence and look at it. Come in, involve, and be a part of it. Until next time, take care.
All right.